Hello, Woodstock. This is Mrs. Tingle showing you how to place a hold for library books for the next 2 weeks in Destiny. So, first step is grab your Chromebook and log in and navigate to the Woodstock Middle School page. From there, you'll see under Students the Media Center. Click there, and then you will want to click into Destiny. You'll be able to see that there's a collections page and which books are recently in and out, popular titles, all sorts of things that you can browse. But the main thing is you'll want to log in. It's a single sign on, so you'll just click the blue bar. And once you've done that, the computer knows that it's you, and you can flip through and see if there's anything that you would like to explore. For example, the most popular titles are these Diary of a Wimpy Kid, so you can click on one of those. And you would simply click here to hold it. Now, instead of coming in to pick it up before March, for this week and for your next book library day in February, what will happen is I will look every morning for which titles are on hold. I will put them on a cart and roll them to your homeroom. So on Wednesday or Thursday of this week, you can have a book checked out to you. Inside will be a bookmark that will tell you when the book is due. If you have any books to return, one student from each homeroom or from your lit classes can go ahead and drop them off in the book return box, or you can come visit the media center with a pass anytime after 11:30. But for the next 3 weeks, the media center will be closed due to access testing, and this will be one way that you can come and grab a book. Thank you so much. I hope it helps.